Cancer, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong monthly reading for November 2024. If you're interested in private readings, mayroon tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paki-check nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. Okay, let's see what's coming to you, Cancer, ngayong November 2024. Okay, so you have Suwilu. Suwilu is energy. So I feel like marami kang energy ngayong November na magawa yung mga goals mo, ma-accomplish yung mga kailangan mong matapos, no? This is also about clarity, illumination, kaliwanagan. So kung may mga bagay na gumugulo sa isip mo ng mga nakaraan, ngayong November, makikita mo talaga kung ano yung totoo, no? What you really need to know. And this is also about your creativity. Maaring mas magiging creative ka sa mga gagawin mo, let's say sa business, sa career, or creative ka sa iyong path na tatahakin. And this will bring you joy, happiness, along the way. You also have Uthila. This is about property. So, maaring merong kailangang asikasuhin related sa ari-arian. Pwede itong inheritance within the family kasi family matters ito na kailangan mong bigyan ng attention. Maari ring merong, let's say, your parents na kailangan mong asikasuhin. Ano ba yan? Napapaburp ako. May kailangan kang asikasuhin na needs ng parents mo, no? Ngayong November. You also have, this is Gabo. Gabo is about opportunity. So, I think you will receive a great opportunity ngayong November. Makukonsider mo siya na blessing or gift para sa'yo. Parang hindi mo ine-expecto. So, yung iba, pwedeng, inheritance, no? Meron kang matatanggap na mana from your parents or unexpected money na pwede mong magamit for business or for improvement, no? Pwedeng self-improvement or improvement sa iyong trabaho, sa business mo, sa bahay. Okay? Let's see what else. You have gratitude. So, you're going to be very thankful, grateful sa blessings na matatanggap mo na to. And maaring ito rin yung paglingon sa iyong pinanggalingan or pagtanaw ng utang na loob. Maaring meron kang reregaluhan or maaring may token ka na ibibigay sa isang tao na tumulong sa'yo para ma-achieve yung goals mo, yung dreams mo. And someone who is very supportive of you. You also have victory. Wow, ang ganda oh. May victory for you. Lahat ng pinaghirapan mo, trinabaho mo, talagang in-effortan mo, merong magandang resulta for you. Okay? This can be sa career, sa business, sa mga projects mo. You will experience success. You also have fire. So, action, taking action. Kumbaga ngayong November, meron kang passion to do things. Meron kang kung dati parang nakakatamad or wala kang inspiration, ngayong November, you will feel inspired and determined to make things happen for you. That's why makukuha mo yung great results, yung victory, yung success na yan na iyong minimithi. Okay, let's see what else. Cancer. Okay. Kunin natin to. You have the Knight of Swords. So, may mga bagay kang aasikasuhin na mabilisan. Pwedeng documents, mga processes na pwedeng nung mga nakaraan hindi mo binibigyan ng attention. Pero ngayong November, parang papaspasan mo yung pag-aasikaso dyan. Can be paperworks or mga taong kailangan mong kausapin. Mga meetings, ganyan. You will be meeting people. 7 of Wands, I see you na you are going to set boundaries. Healthy boundaries, kumbaga. Hindi mo hayaan na i-take advantage ka ng iba because you know your worth, alam mo yung halaga mo. And also, mayroon ka ring strength, no? Lakas para i-pursue yung mga bagay na para sa iba ang hirap gawin. But for you, magiging strategic ka sa mga bawat steps mo, sa mga ikikilos mo. Kasi pinag-iisipan mong maigi. Para kang naglalaro ng chess. Advance ka mag-isip. Kaya, every move mo, pinag-isipan mo talaga. You have the moon. So, you are also guided by your instinct, by your intuition. This is also a powerful energy in manifesting your goals, your dreams. Yung iba sa inyo, pagdating ng new moon, ng full moon, kumbaga meron kayong mga moon rituals na ginagawa para maisakatuparan nyo yung inyong mga minamanifest, yung mga desires ninyo. You also have the Hanged Man. I think you are having this different perspective in life na kung dati meron kang mga bagay na pinaniniwalaan na maaring ngayon nagbabago yung belief system mo. Pwedeng sa religion to, pwedeng mantra sa buhay. Ngayon, may pagbabago because marami kang nare-realize about life na hindi pala laging ganon, no? So, ano ba yung mga example niyan? Basta ganon, na may mga, let's say, mantra or paniniwalaan ka, motto in life, no? Na ngayon, nagbabago for you. You're also discovering something about yourself. Kaya may mga bagay na hindi ka ginagawa or pinag-iisipan mo muna bago mo gawin. Kasi may nagbago sa'yo in a way na hindi ka na ganun ka impulsive, no? Yung parang careless in making decisions or taking actions. Some of you, maaring mas dadami yung friends nyo or may makikilala kayong mga tao na kung saan mararamdaman mo na you belong with these people, parang soul family, soul tribe mo. You may also be traveling with your friends, may i-visit ka na kaibigan, malayo, or you may also have this road trip with your friends. Meron din ditong sexual fulfillment. So, if you are in a relationship with someone, pwedeng kayo ay magkakaroon ng masayang sexual relationship. You also have optical illusions. So, may mga bagay rito na parang you will dive deeply, no? Kumbaga, hindi mo agad, halimbawa may nag-o-offer sa'yo na, let's say, business, hindi mo agad kakagatin yun. Kasi, i-research mo muna. So, you really want to know the background, pwedeng sa relationship din to, sa person, sa kaibigan, bago ka magtitiwala sa isang tao. Okay? Kasi alam mo kung, parang, you will have this feeling na, you really need to get to know this person muna. Kilalanin mo muna bago ka magtiwala. Ganon. Problems to be resolved. So, meron kang problema, issue na masusolusyonan mo ngayong November. You are highly thought of. So, merong tao na laging nag-iisip sa'yo or lagi kang iisipin ngayong November. This can be a person na very attracted sa'yo. Someone who is pwedeng kung bagong person to sa buhay mo. This person ay maaring interested sa'yo dahil nakikita niya na you have something special in you. Maaring meron din person na na nagpapantasya sa inyo, no? For some of you, lalo na kung you are very attractive para sa taong yon, na parang ikaw yung someone na malakas yung dating para sa kanya. Parang ikaw yung type niya, ganon. Kasi you have this fire energy na someone who is very attractive, very hot. Oo, someone who's very parang siya, malakas ang dating, ganyan. Outflank adversaries by keeping a low profile unless threatened. Ayan. So, yung iba sa inyo, Cancer, you will choose to be low-key. No? Kumbaga, iiwasan nyo na mag-flex or mag-update sa inyong mga social media or sa ibang tao. unless close talaga kayo. Dahil mas gusto mo ngayon na hindi ka masyadong nakikita. Kasi maaring you have learned something about, being more open, na parang wala ka ng privacy. So, ngayon na-realize mo na yung privacy mo, napaka-importante sa'yo, na yun yung nagiging protection mo from the evil eyes. Okay? Kasi meron mga taong may inggit sa'yo. Will try to bring you down, no? Because meron ka na wala sila. So, ngayon, mas magiging low-key ka muna. Okay? So, that is your reading, Cancer. Thank you so much. Bye.